Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Jabra Elite 75T headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily enable auto pause option. At first you have to open your app and then you have to click on this gear icon over here. Here you have to click on headset settings. Now you have to click on audio experience and now as you can see auto pause music. Automatically pause audio when one of the earbuds is removed from your ear. When the earbud is placed into your ear, the audio will resume, unless the earbud has been removed from your ear for more than 60 seconds. And here we have our option. You just have to click on this switch over here to disable or enable this. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.